Mitosis is the process by which our cells duplicate themselves. This is how we grow and replenish our store of cells. There are 5 different stages to mitosis and 3 to pre-mitosis, also known as the interphase.
The interphase starts off with the G1 phase, or first growth stage. No dividing takes place in this stage, but there is rapid growth in the size of your cell. You can think of this as your early stages from a fetus up to a child or toddler. Routine functions are carried out and nothing special really happens quite yet.
Next comes the S phase, synthesis. The DNA has not yet coiled up yet, but is in a spaghetti-like blob. When you copy your DNA in synthesis, it then turns into an X shape, with its copy half or chromatid sister.
The final part of the interphase is the G2 phase, the second growth stage. By the end of the G2 phase, your cell has grown more. The microtubules are rearranged, and the cell prepares for mitosis.
The first stage of mitosis is the prophase. First, your chromosomes become visible and coil up. Your nuclear envelope dissolves.
Next is the prometaphase. In this phase, the nuclear envelope forms vesicles, which help to drive mitosis, and the microtubules attach to the centromere. Next is the metaphase. This is the longest stage of mitosis and can take up to 20 minutes. This is when your chromosomes align in the middle of the cell and attach to the microtubules.
In the third phase of mitosis, your chromosomes are separating into their individual chromatids and moving to opposite sides of the cell.
The last stage is the telophase, when your cell structures are reformed. Your chromosomes uncoil and the spindle dissolves.
This leads into cytokinesis, or when your cell is actually dividing. From there, you can either start over again or go into the G0 phase. In this phase, cells aren't dividing or growing, they just are.
Cells contain the information our bodies need to properly function. Without mitosis, none of those processes can take place.